Forget everything you think you know about vans. Mercedes just moved the Golfs. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz VLE. It's not just an electric V-Class. It's a clean sheet revolution designed to make an S-Class feel cramped. With a silhouette as slippery as a sedan and an interior that rivals a private jet, the VLE is here to prove that the ultimate luxury vehicle isn't an SUV, it's this. Welcome back to DRX AUTOMOBI. Today, we're stepping inside the most advanced passenger van ever made. Underneath that sleek shell is the all-new VAN.EA architecture. The flagship VLE 4.4-matic dual-motor setup delivers a combined 415 horsepower, whisking this grand lounge to 60 in just 6.5 seconds. But it's the maneuverability that's the real magic. Thanks to 7-degree rear axle steering, the VLE has a turning circle of just 10.9 meters. That means you can navigate tight city parking just as easily as a compact car. And with the Airmatic suspension reading Google Maps data to prep for upcoming bumps, the ride quality is nothing short of cloud-like. Step inside, and you're met with a screen-heavy Superscreen Dasha 10-inch driver display paired with dual 14-inch touchscreens. But the real show is in the back. At the push of a button, a massive 31.3-inch 8K panoramic screen drops from the ceiling, turning the rear cabin into a mobile cinema. With 22 Burmeister speakers pushing Dolby Atmos sound and the Skyview panoramic roof overhead, this is the ultimate mobile office or family sanctuary. It even features a generative AI assistant that can handle complex conversations while you get a hot stone massage in your grand comfort seat. Range anxiety? Not here. The VLE's 115 kilowatt-hour battery provides a massive 700 kilometers of range. And because it uses an 800-volt system, charging is hyper-fast. You can add 220 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Whether you're doing a VIP airport run or a cross-country family road trip, the VLE spends more time on the road and less time at the plug. It even supports vehicle-to-home charging, meaning this van can literally power your house during an outage. The 2026 Mercedes VLE is a masterclass in luxury. It's the van for people who thought they'd never own a van. Is this the new king of airport transfers? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTOMOBI. I'll see you in the next one.